Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. I am your math teacher. I am Shagufta Makbul. I am teacher of grade 1. Today I am doing an activity of topic money. Money is written here. Before starting this topic, I am going to tell you when we have to purchase any kind of thing, when we want to go for shopping, we use coins, we use this kind of paper money to purchase anything. Okay, so first of all, it is very important you have to know about it. In olden times, people didn't use this kind of paper money and coins. People purchase things through barter system. When they have to purchase things, they have to purchase goods with goods. When they wanted to purchase anything, they had to exchange goods with goods. For example, if I am making dresses and I want to purchase wheat, so I have to find a person to give my dresses to take wheat. So this was very difficult. This was very difficult. I am giving you another example. If I am making paper, if I am making paper, this is paper, this kind of paper. If I am making notebooks, and if you are making and other things like shoes, if you are making shoes, I am making paper. If I want to purchase shoes, I have to come to you for purchasing shoes, and you if you want to purchase paper, and you have to come to me, like this way. This is called exchanging goods with goods. So students, nowadays if we want to purchase anything, we go for shopping. We have to put money in our pocket, like this way. We have to at this time we have money to purchase anything. These are coins. These are 1 rupee coins. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 coins are here. It's mean 8 rupees. This is 2 rupee coin. So 8 and 2 10. Look at here. This is 5 rupee coin. 5 is here. This is also 5 rupee coin. This is 10 rupee. This is 10 rupee note. This is 20, and this is 100, and this is 1000. Okay students, if I want to purchase thing of 1 rupee, so like this candy, if I want to purchase this candy, I have to give 1 coin to the shopkeeper. If I want to purchase 1 candy, the price of this candy is 1 rupee. So students, if I want to purchase 5 candies of 1 rupees, if I want to purchase 5 candies, how many candies are here? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 candies are here. So I will give 1 2 3 4 5 coins to shopkeeper. If I want to purchase 10 candies, 10 candies are here. I can give, this is 5 and this is 5. I can give these 2 coins only. If I am giving this coin, this is 5 rupee coin, and this coin I don't need to give 10 coins. I will give only 5 and 5 10. 5 rupee coin is here, and this is also 5 rupee coin. Look at it, 5 is written here, you can see easily. this I will give these 2 coins. If I want to give this 1 rupee, I will give, I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 rupees are here, and this is 2 rupee. I will give 2 rupee also. This is making 10 rupee. This is making 10 rupee. Okay students, like this way, if I want to purchase this pointer, I will give 20 rupees to shopkeeper. If I want to purchase this car, I will give 50 rupees. 20 is here, 20 is here, 20 and 1, 30, 30, 5 or 5, 10, 40, and then I will give all these coins. This is making 50 rupees. I will give 50 rupees to purchase this kind of car. Like this way, if I want to purchase things that price is 100 rupees, so I will give this paper money. If I want to purchase thing that price is 1000 rupee, I will give this paper money. Okay students, like this way we can purchase things from shopkeeper. If I have money, I can purchase things easily. It is an easy way to purchasing things. After doing this activity, we will complete work in book. If you are feeling any difficulty, you can discuss with me. Thank you so much.